What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to buy XRP in the United States or any other place in the world. So it's very simple, and I'll be showing you guys here the step-by-step guide on how to buy XRP, which is very hard to get because a lot of exchanges out there don't have it, but this one does. I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. So the exchange that I like to buy XRP with is called Kucoin. Okay, and I'm sure you guys have heard of Kucoin. It's not very user friendly, but I'm gonna help you guys here and show you guys how to use this step by step, how to buy XRP with this. So what I love about Kucoin is that it doesn't require any KYC, basically meaning they don't require you to send your license or any identification like that. All you need is an email, a password, and I think your phone number. So after you create an account with Kucoin, you guys can use my link below and you guys get like a promotion or something. After you make your account right here, we're gonna have to fund your Kucoin account, and I made a video step-by-step guide on how to fund your Kucoin account. It's very simple and easy because on Kucoin you can't connect your bank like other exchanges out there. So the way that you fund your Kucoin is by simply sending crypto over to Kucoin from exchanges like Gemini, Coinbase Pro, or any exchange out there. I made a video on this if you guys want to watch the details on how to do this. It'll be right up here in the cards, but if you guys already know how to do this, all you gotta do is send your crypto to Kucoin. After it gets on here, you're gonna sell it for USDT. So let's say you send XLM, right? You go to XLM/USDT, then you click sell, and then you sell that for USDT, because with USDT you can literally buy any crypto on Kucoin, which includes XRP. So to buy XRP, all you gotta do is go right here to the search, click XRP, right? And you wanna click on the one that says XRP/USDT, which is this one right here. Click on that. And then to buy it, all you gotta do is click right here at the bottom, click buy. Now there's multiple ways to buy. You can do a limit order or market order. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna do it fast. I'm gonna do a market order. All right, and simply all you gotta do is click right here, put how much you want to buy worth of XRP. I'm gonna do $12 worth. Now you're gonna put in your trading password that you set up in the beginning. After you put your trading password, it basically buys it instantly. Of course, it's a market order. If you do a limit order, you basically choose at what price you want to buy that XRP at, and then you put the amount that you want to buy of it. So then right here, after you buy it, it's gonna show right here in your assets, and it's going to be under your trading account. But I don't want to keep it here. I want to put it in my main assets. And the way to do that is click on it. You're going to click transfer. You're going to click all. And then make sure it's trading account to main account. Click confirm. And then boom, it sends it over to the main account. The main account is basically just where you keep your crypto. It's more secure. And the trading account is basically where you're going to use to trade, to sell and buy, right? That's why I got USDT right here. Now in the main account, I just sent it over and boom, it's right there. And then right here, you just click on it. If you ever want to withdraw it to some other app one day, click on withdraw. If you want to deposit more, click on deposit. You can even lend it out here in Kucoin, which is awesome. You click right there. And yeah, guys, that's how you buy XRP on Kucoin, and you could do this anywhere in the United States and even the world. All you need is your email, password, and your phone number, and it's KYC free. So that's it. If you guys want to join a crypto group, join my crypto group on Facebook. All the descriptions are below, and definitely check out my Patreon as well. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.